Fix Windows 11 stuck in tablet mode. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Method 1. Restart your computer. Rebooting your system can sometimes bring it back to its original state. Method 2. Update Windows. Method 3. Fix corrupted system files. Use command prompt commands to repair system file corruption. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Method 4. Use System Restore. System Restore is a feature in Microsoft Windows that allows users to revert their computer's state to a previous point in time. This can be helpful if you have made changes to your system that are causing problems.